In this video, you'll learn how to create transition effects using Higgsfield AI. This tutorial will guide you through the necessary steps to effectively utilize the platform's features for generating impressive. Begin by navigating to the Higgsfield AI website, open your preferred web browser, and enter the URL for the AI video generator and image generator by Higgsfield. Once the page loads, you will see the main interface with various options available for video creation. Next, locate and click on the button labeled Create Video. This action will redirect you to a new page designed for video creation. Upon entering this section, you will find several tools and presets to enhance your video project. After that, click on the option labeled Change. This will allow you to modify the current settings and select specific features for your video. You should now see a list of available presets and effects on your screen. Continue by clicking on Higgsfield DOP. This selection will provide you with a range of depth of field settings. Once you make this selection, the interface will update to show the available options related to depth control. Following this, click on Basic Camera Control. This feature will enable you to adjust the fundamental camera settings for your video project. The interface will display various sliders and controls for fine-tuning your camera preferences. Then click on Epic Camera Control. This option will unlock advanced camera settings that can greatly enhance your video transitions. You will notice additional controls appear, allowing for more intricate adjustments. Next, select the Be-Let Time effect. This particular effect will enable you to create dramatic slow-motion sequences. Upon selection, the interface will showcase specific options related to this effect. Now click on the Prompt button. This action will allow you to enter specific instructions or ideas for your transitions. A text box will appear where you can type your desired prompt. After entering your prompt, click on Enhance Off/On. This toggle will let you activate or deactivate enhancement features for your video. The interface will provide feedback indicating whether enhancements are currently enabled. Next, click on Model. This will give you access to different models available for your video transitions. You should see a list of models appear, allowing you to choose one that fits your project needs. Proceed by clicking on Advanced Control. This option will open up more detailed settings for fine-tuning your video transitions. The interface will refresh to display advanced options for control. Finally, click on Generate. This action will initiate the process of creating your video with the selected transition effects. You may see a progress bar indicating the status of your video generation, which can take a moment depending on the complexity of your project. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.